Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 10 startup repair cannot repair this computer automatically. If you see this kind of screen, that means you are facing this issue. So let's see how you can fix this one. So if you are already at this screen, you can just tap on advanced options. If you can't see it, what you need to do is you just simply go to restart option. Once it is restarting, you need to press F8 key on your keyboard repeatedly until you see this kind of screen. Then you can see there is option called advanced options. You can choose that one. Once you select that option, you will see this kind of menu. There are several options you can choose. First you need to select troubleshoot option, then go to the advanced options, then go to command prompt. Then you can see there is a command prompt will be appear. So then if it is ask your account, you just select your account and enter your password. So then after you need to type Bootrec space / fix mbr and hit enter. Once it is done, you can see there is a message called operation successful. Then after again you need to type Bootrec space / fix boot and hit enter. In my case the access is denied. So then you need to type, if you see access denied kind of message, boot sect space / nt60 space s5s and hit enter. Okay, now you can see boot code was successfully updated. Then you need to type Bootrec space / fix boot again. Now you can see operation completed successfully. Finally you need to type Bootrec space / rebuild bcd and hit enter. So it will take some time. If it is asked to add installation to boot list, type Y to say the yes and enter. Then after you can type exit and press enter. Okay, you can see now it is completed. So simply tap on exit. Okay, so the second method is you can run CHKDSK and SFC command to fix corrupted files. So again, as usual, you need to go to troubleshoot, go to advanced options, go to command prompt. In here you need to type in this time CHKDSK space in your Windows installation drive space / f space / r. So then hit enter. Windows will scan the drive and fix any bad sectors. This will take some time depending on your hard drive size. Once it is finished, you need to run the system file checker. To run that one, you need to type sfc space / scan now space / of boot dir equal your Windows drive / space / of win dir equal your Windows drive / Windows and hit enter. Once the scan hits 100%, close the command prompt and restart your PC. Simply like this. And the third method is you need to disable automatic startup repair loop. To do that, again you need to go to the troubleshoot, go to advanced option, go to the command prompt. This time you need to type bcd edit space / set space bracket default, close the bracket, space recovery enabled space capital NO, bcd edit set default recovery enabled no and hit enter. Then after, once it is completed, you can type exit in here and exit from that. And the fourth method is you can use the system restore option. But to perform this operation, you should have at least one system restore point that you have previously created. To do that, go to troubleshoot, go to advanced option, system restore. You can see no restore point have been created on my computer, so I can't restore to this computer into the previous version. So if you see any kind of restore point in this window, you can select that one and tap on next. Then you can restore your computer onto that date. So this is how you can fix this one. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this.